Sometimes when you're a hammer, everything in the world looks like a nail. Every problem seems like something you just need to take a whack at. But here's the deal. You want to hire an attorney who has reason and restraint. If you consult with an attorney, sometimes it's good for them to tell you that you shouldn't litigate, that what you're facing is not a legal problem. It's a personal problem that's difficult, but it's not going to be resolved in the court system. Every once in a while, I'll have a consultation with somebody that has valid complaints about their co-parent or even their spouse, and they have real, sincere concerns about their child's health, welfare, or development. And they think to themselves, if only a judge would issue a court order, we could fix this problem. But there are some problems that a court order can't fix. And there are some issues that need to be resolved between the parents rather than in court. I often have consultations with people where they call wanting to file a child custody suit or a child custody modification, and they talk to me about the problems that they're having with their co-parent. And there is a non-legal, much less expensive way to deal with their problem. Or as their child develops and grows, that problem may go away altogether, and it may go away relatively quickly. For example, I had a consultation with a client who found out that her husband had gotten a big, fat new job and was getting a big, fat new paycheck, and she wanted to know if her child support should be increased. And technically, yeah, it probably should. But her kiddo was 16 years old, and it would cost more to file the suit and prosecute it than it would for her to get the increased child support or live on what she was currently getting. And when you add to that the real human cost of litigation, the idea that now her high schooler was going to go through the last year or 2 years of high school with his parents at each other's throats over a couple of $100 a month of child support, is it really worth it? Obviously, in some cases, it might be worth it. In some cases, the problem might be so big that filing suit is what you have to do. But not every case needs to be litigated just because I'm a hammer and your problem's a nail. There is room for reason and restraint in family law cases. And you want to hire an attorney who's willing to consider those options. My name's Kate Bim. I'm a family lawyer practicing in Montgomery County, Texas. I'm a lawyer, not your lawyer. And not every case requires a lawyer. Nonetheless, I'm still going to say good luck in court.